Hi guys, how's it going? How to use GX and EX cards in Pokemon TCG. So, X card, you can use it for attack, right? Use their strong attacks, and for weaknesses, they give up 2 prize cards when knocked out. So use them strategically. You have the GX cards. GX card offers GX attack. These cards feature special GX more a GX move that can be only used once per game. And you have the strategy. Make sure to use the GX attack at a crucial moment to gain an advantage. And for weaknesses like EX, they give 2 prize cards when knocked out. In both cases, right? In both cases, plan their usage for maximum impact while managing the risk of losing extra prize cards. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.